In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create headings and show the navigation pane in Microsoft Word. This is especially useful when working with long documents because it allows you to organize your content and quickly move between different sections. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to create headings. To create a heading, start by selecting the text that you want to use as a heading. You can select a title, section name, or any other text that represents a major part of your document. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. In the Styles group, you'll see several formatting options, including Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. Choose Heading 1 if the text is a main section heading. For example, you might use Heading 1 for sections such as Introduction, Chapter 1, or Conclusion. If you have a smaller section under a main heading, select that text and choose Heading 2. You can also use Heading 3 for sections that are further divided under a Heading 2. Continue applying the appropriate heading style to the other sections in your document. Now that your headings are set up, let's show the navigation pane. Go to the View tab at the top of Word. In the Show group, look for the Navigation Pane option. Click the checkbox next to Navigation Pane. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the Word window. At the top of the navigation pane, select the Headings tab. You should now see a list of the headings you created in your document. This works because Word recognizes its built-in heading styles. Simply changing the font size or making text bold does not automatically make it a heading for the navigation pane. You can now click any heading in the navigation pane, and Word will immediately take you to that section of the document. You can also use the navigation pane to reorganize your document. For documents with multiple sections, you can move headings to change the order of sections more efficiently. So remember to use Word's built-in heading styles when organizing your document, and then turn on the navigation pane from the View tab. That's how you can create headings and use the navigation pane in Microsoft Word to make long documents easier to organize and navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,